Natural Resources, Session 3. In this module, we are going to continue with the topic Air as a Natural Resource. Dear children, in the last modules, we had learnt about the different gases which is present in the atmosphere which helps in the survival of organisms. We learnt that the atmosphere plays a very important role in helping to maintaining the temperature on the Earth's surface. The atmosphere has a prominent role in climate control. It also helps for formation of winds, storms, breezes and rains. Let us see how wind is formed. Water vapor is formed in the atmosphere due to the heating of water bodies and activities of living organisms. And the atmosphere gets heated up as the earth, the water bodies and the land, they radiate back the heat they have absorbed. All these components, that is the earth, water bodies and land, they absorb heat, and they do not that heat does not remain within itself. It gets radiated back into the atmosphere, and as a result the atmosphere gets heated up. And it is a fact that the land gets heated up or cools down more faster than the water. Once the air gets heated up, we know it becomes quite light, and this causes the light air to rise up. This rising up of air or the heated air causes the formation of winds. The movement of air from one region to another creates winds. An uneven heating of the earth's surface is the reason for the formation of winds. Let us learn this with the help of this picture. When the earth's surface gets heated, the air just above that surface becomes lighter and it rises up. The warm air rises up. As a result, in that particular region, a low pressure is created. And we know air flows from a region of higher pressure to a region of lower pressure, and this movement of air from one region to the other causes winds. Let us learn the whole concept with the help of an activity. Let us take 3 beakers. The first is filled with water, second with soil, and the third is left empty. A thermometer is placed in each beaker. The beakers are placed in sunlight for 3 hours, and the thermometer readings are taken. Do you notice a difference in the readings? The temperature reads more in the second beaker than the others. This increased reading shows that soil gets heated up more faster than water and air. Now let us repeat the same experiment under shade and look how the temperature stands. When it is kept in shade, the temperature reads more in the first beaker, which is filled with water, than in the other, which indicates that soil gets cooled faster than air and water. Dear children, now we understood how the soil gets heated up more faster when compared to air and water, and also how soil gets cooled down more faster than air and water. Since the soil gets heated up at a faster rate than air, the air above land gets heated up more than the air above water. Now during the daytime, we know land gets heated up more faster than water. As a result, the air above the land gets warm, and this warm air or hot air above the land, it becomes lighter and it rises up. And at this region, it creates a low pressure. Whereas the air above the water is cooler, and as a result, air flows from a region of higher pressure to a region of lower pressure, and thus it creates a sea breeze. This is the reason why land near sea gets cooler fast. Whereas during night time, the reverse process takes place. During night time, sea cools down slowly than the land. With the help of that activity, we learnt that land or soil cools down at a faster rate when compared to water and air. And here, at night time, the sea cools down at a slower rate when compared to land. So the land is cooler when compared to the sea. And as a result, the air above the sea is warm. And this hot air above the sea rises, and the cool air from the higher pressure region, that is from the land, flows towards the sea. That is from a region of higher pressure to a region of lower pressure. That is from the land to the sea, and this causes land breeze. So dear children, we learnt that during daytime the sea breeze occurs, and during night time the land breeze occurs. Thank you.